Where are we going? Dogtown?
Yeah, the evacuation order is for all of Cat Town.
Okay. A Dogtown Purrsgiving. I can work with that. Ooh, getting into the Purrsgiving spirit. I love it. Though, if you don't mind some purring pointers, it's a bit more like this.
What's he on about? Not a clue.
I'll leave you two to practice. Oh, right. No pals to help plan.
Hello there. Name?
We're the Crawls.
One mansion, please. This pug needs space if I'm gonna plan the best ever Dogtown Purrsgiving.
I'm really so sorry, but we don't have any more accommodation for tonight. I've put you on the wait list.
Wait list? But where's this party planning pug gonna sleep?
Let me see what I can do. I'll give it back if the situation changes. What? I said I'd bark. Does that mean? I found a place for you, Flix.
Greta?
That's wonderful.
Wonderful. It's perfect. Greta, you can help me with Operation D-Town Purrsgiving. Operation Purrsgiving. Operation Dogsgiving. We'll workshop it. So, where are we going? Your house?
Not exactly.
Huh, noodles.
Yep. Welcome to the last room in town. If you don't mind a few spaghetti stains. We appreciate it. It's so kind of Dogtown to help.
Now I think about it, a restaurant will be a great place to host Purrsgiving.
Remind me what Purrsgiving is.
Only the best cat holiday ever! It's celebrating a legendary moment when an ancient cat village couldn't catch any fish. They were on the brink of starvation, but they used the last of their strength to all work together to weave a giant net. And when they tossed it into the sea, they caught a giant mackerel. They shared it all and made wonderful toadfish treacle fish cakes and celebrated for a whole day and night.
Basically, we get together and eat fish cakes and purr a few songs.
It's about cats coming together, Felina, and being in Dogtown, we need that more than ever.
Well, first things first, let's get you all settled in.
Good call, Greta. I need my puppy sleep if I'm gonna plan the perfect Purrsgiving. So much for my puppy sleep.
It'll be okay. Sorry.
Okay, who's ready to make some Purrsgiving decorations?
Sure, I'm up for some craft therapy.
Yep, me too.
Phew.
Hey, Crawls. How's it going?
I'm so sorry about that. More trip hazards than usual today.
Okay. I think we just need some fresh air. Ooh, and look, fish.
Ugh, so much for fresh air.
Flix! Hi, Flix. Tabby, Munchkin, so great you're here. Who's ready to make an absolute heap of toadfish treacle fish cakes?
Toadfish, treacle, and fish? Ugh.
I'm not sure I'm in the mood, Flix.
Yeah, the cleanup in Cat Town is taking longer than anyone thought. Apparently there's a rogue strand still oozing.
Hard to celebrate when our home is being smoothed. Dogtown just isn't the same.
What if we're stuck here forever?
The Dogtown alarm!
The rogue toadfish treacle. It's oozing right for us.
Oh, no!
Excuse me? Those purrs still aren't quite right. That's it. Purrsgiving spirit.
Seriously, Flix? We've got bigger mackerel to fry than a relatively minor cat holiday.
It's the best holiday. But that's not important right now. I have an idea. We can save Dogtown if we all work together, like the cats of old did on Purrsgiving. But this time, with dogs. Are you with me?